Welcome. Today I will talk about dental milling units. Milling units can be classified according to the number of axes into 3, 4, and 5 axes. The 3-axis milling unit moves in X, Y, and Z direction. It's great for basic restorations like crowns. It is simple, affordable, and great for basic cases, but it is limited for complex angles or undercuts. The 4-axis milling unit adds one rotational axis, ideal for bridges and more precise. It can handle slightly complex designs, but it is still limited for deep or highly angled restorations. 5-axis milling unit adds two rotational axes, perfect for full arch restorations and complex designs. It's highly precise and handles complex geometries, but it is expensive and requires more space. They can also be classified according to the processing technique, wet or dry. The wet milling uses coolant and is perfect for ceramics and hybrid materials, keeping them cool and smooth. It's ideal for aesthetic restorations, but requires regular maintenance. Dry milling works well for tougher materials like zirconia. It is faster and doesn't need coolant.